Now, here I will solve some questions of your exercise 9.1. Here, your first question is a general form is given to you. It means one rule is given. An is equals to n plus 2, and we have to find out its first 5 terms. First 5 terms, how to find it? Let first term, so in place of n, I have to choose n is equals to 1. So, my first term will be 1 and 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now, if I choose n is equals to 2, I will get a second term, that is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 2 is 8. If I want to find third term, I should take 3. So, A3 will be 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 3 is 15. Similarly, I will find out its fourth term. A4 is equals to 4 in a bracket 4 plus 2, which is equals to 4 plus 2, 6. 6 4 is 24. Now, and if I will take n is equals to 5, I will get fifth term, that is 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 5 is 35. So, similarly, you can find out it's a first 5 term. In place of first 5 terms, if they will ask you a specific term, so that time how to find it, that also I will show you here in our next question. So, here I can write, therefore, the first 5 terms of given sequence are 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. So, like that you can solve it. Now, here I will solve next question. Now, your next question is an is equals to n square upon 2 to the power n, and here we have to find out a7. How to find out a7 is very simple. In place of n, here I have to take 7. So, let n is equals to 7. So, I will get a7, which is equals to 7 square upon 2 to the power 7. 7 square, that is 49, 2 to the power 7, that is, I guess, 128. So, this is your answer. Now, one more question here I will solve. Your 14th question. Here, 1 is equals to A1 is equals to A2 given, and an is equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 given. We have to find an plus 1 upon an for n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here, the Fibonacci sequence, this one is defined as a Fibonacci sequence. Here, which sequence is given, this sequence having a specific name, Fibonacci sequence. So, if a Fibonacci sequence given to you, it means you have to remember this general form that an is equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 2, while 1 equals to a1 equals to a2. So, if I put into this general form, here I will get, see, a1 is my 1, a2 is also my 1. Now, if I want to find out, if I will take n is equals to 1, so I will get a preceding terms. I will get a 1. If I will take n equals to 2, this one is already given, first 2 terms. Now, if I will take a3, so a3 means in place of n I am writing 3. So, here I will get a2 plus a1. a2 term I am knowing 1, a1 term also known, that is sum is 2. Now, a4th term. So, a4 means here subtract a4 minus 1, that is a3 plus here into this form I have to put, so a2. Now, a3 is my 2, a2 is my 1, here I will get 3. Now, if I find a5, so how I will get? Here in the same form, in place of n, everywhere I will substitute 5. So, I will get a4 plus a5 minus 2. So, here I will get a3. So, which is equals to a4 is my 3, a3 is my 2. So, result is 5. Similarly, if I want to find out a6, so I will get a5 plus a3. My A5 term is 5, A3 term is 3, which is equals to 8, up to many terms you can find out. Now here, after getting this, I have to find out this ratio. Up to how many terms? 5 terms. So, if I choose n equals to 1, so I get n 1 plus 1, 2 upon A1. So, A2 and A1 both term known to us. So, 1 by 1 here I am getting 1. While I will take n is equals to 2, I will get in this form. So, A3 upon A2. A3 term here I have calculated 2 and A2 term is given 1. So, which is equals to 2. Now, next one, n is equals to 3. While I will take n equals to 3, I will put into this form. I will get here A4 upon A3. Now, A4 is 3, A3 is 2. So, here I am getting 3 by 2. Similarly, I will choose n is equals to 4. So, while I will choose n equals to 4, I will get A5 upon A4. Now, fifth term I am knowing, that is 5. Fourth term also known to us, that is 3. Now, I have to choose a last number, that is n is equals to 5. So, here I will get A6 upon A5. Sixth term also known, that is 8. And fifth term here I have calculated, that is 5. So, similarly you can solve it and you can get the answer. Hope this question is understood to you. Many questions based on this topic also given in an assignment and also in your textbook exercise.